Speaker, sir, as per the EIA notification 2006, any projects which are having a built-up area of more than 20,000 square meters have to attain an environmental clearance from the SEIAA. It is only for Category A and Category B1 projects that the SEAC formulates the terms of reference for preparing the EIA report, which is thereafter thoroughly scrutinized for the purpose of granting an EC. Speaker, sir, coming to the Marina project, which many have raised. As I've said, it is sub judice, but I would like to inform this August House that there is a stay order issued by the High Court of Bombay in Goa, and therefore this project has been, if I may say, shelved as of today. Speaker, sir, we have approached the NIO Goa to carry out a fresh beach carrying capacity of the beaches. Once the study is completed, we will think as to whether we should embark on the exercise of carrying out a study on carrying capacity of the state if need be.